do you need to use Synchro resolvers in your application? UEI Synchro Resolver interface has been used in a wide array of applications in the laboratory, simulators, and complex control systems. A key feature of these boards is the ability to operate as either an input interface or an output device for simulation on a per-channel basis. And each board covers a broad range of excitations, frequencies, and voltages. Plus, you can easily adjust settings to accommodate different wiring configurations for star or delta connected synchros. And these boards are fully supported by UEI's comprehensive software suite, which includes support for popular operating systems, programming languages, and programming applications. Like all UEI hardware, our Synchro Resolver boards can operate individually or integrated into a larger system with multiple components. So whether you're trying to measure the pitch angle of a vintage helicopter gyro, the rotary position sensors in a state-of-the-art simulator, or even operating the steering gear on a Navy warship, our versatile Synchro IO can handle the job. UEI offers over 85 IO boards and many deployable, rugged chassis to solve your real-world application requirements. So, if you have questions about our Synchro Resolver IO boards, give us a call, send us an email, or visit our website at www.ueidaq.com.